Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com CRcoin, take a look at Bitcoin, because, guys, things are heating up a little bit. Let's take a look at that, and I'll let you know where I think we could be headed here. Are we out of the woodwork, or is this a fake out? We'll talk about that. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading above $31,000. Up 3.78% on the day. But something I really want you to take away from this, not only is everything moving up in price, but also Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance is also increasing in value. Very, very interesting to see. It's something you should be paying attention to. Bitcoin dominance trading at 51.74%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at 53.74%. Almost 54% Bitcoin dominance level, guys. What does this mean, you may ask? There's money flowing into the market, guys. There's money from the sidelines flowing into the market. Not only into Bitcoin, not only into alts, but just into the crypto asset class as a whole. This is a bullish indicator, guys. We need to see money flow in to have this market grow, and that's exactly what is happening right now. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price chart. So, I've been talking a lot about 28,200. This price level right here, $28,200. And I've been telling you guys, as long as we're getting these daily candle closes above it, I see bullish continuation. And especially now, since we're trading above $30,000, guys. If we see these daily candle closes above 30,000, and we even see some weekly candle closes above 30,000, right now trading at about $31,000, in my opinion, we're headed to 32,700. However, if we decide to get rejected off of this $30,000 price level and come a little bit below it, then I think it's much more likely to look at the level of 28,200 right here, where was our previous resistance level, and I would like to see us turn it into support. I would like to see it come down to here, a test off of this, and then a bounce back up to 32,700. This is the year of accumulation, guys. In my opinion, there's still chop. We still need sideways chop. That being said, I am not opposed to the idea that we come up and break above 32,700. However, this level right here of 32,700 is very, very important. If we decide to break above it, I think that the sky is the limit leading into the Bitcoin halving. However, if we get rejected off of it, it's not a big deal. But I do think that this chop will continue to play out, maybe even with that capitulation that we've been talking about to 21,000. But if we do come up to 32,700, I think that there's a much higher likelihood that we don't come down all the way to 21,000 and maybe come down to, say, 25,000 and keep this chop range a little bit more lackluster, if you will. But time will tell, guys. I think that this move basically was started because of the fake news that happened that came out about the Bitcoin spot ETF getting approved. And after the fake news came out, people realized, oh man, when this news actually does come out, Bitcoin is going to make a large move right away at a snap of a finger, and maybe I won't be quick enough to purchase it. Maybe I don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Maybe I should just layer in now in hopes of this Bitcoin spot ETF getting announced sooner than later. I think that's kind of what's creating this move overall. It really started to put an eye back on crypto. And when you couple that with the news articles in the mainstream media, they've really switched their tune. BlackRock coming to file for a Bitcoin spot ETF, and the SEC being in favor of it once BlackRock joined the seat at the table. Many, many institutions calling for crazy Bitcoin price predictions. I remember back in 2017, probably about 2020, before we had this another huge run up into the previous cycle peak. A very, very key moment that I remember is when I believe it was Citibank was making price predictions on Bitcoin and calling for a $350,000 Bitcoin by 2022, I believe they were saying, or 2023, something in that range. Well, obviously we didn't get there. But when you start to see these big institutions start making Bitcoin price predictions, like how crypto YouTubers are making Bitcoin price predictions, that's how you know that the tune has changed and that we're potentially getting ready to be off to the races. But I also want to say, guys, be patient. Be patient. There could be some bloody capitulations leading into this. The Bitcoin spot ETF could possibly be a sell the news event. We could come up to 32,700, maybe even come up to 42,000. Bitcoin spot ETF comes out and wham. That could happen, guys. Be prepared for that. Don't get shaken out. Don't get shaken out on that last capitulation, because after that last capitulation, you know what's going to happen? Wham, then we're going to come up and make new all-time highs. Be prepared for that, guys. What does that mean for CRcoin and altcoins? CRcoin right now is doing exactly as I predicted. I said that if we traded sideways around the $30,000 price level, that we would be coming up to test the 5.5 cent price level. And I said if we decide to come down to 28,200 and get rejected off of that, well, you know the drill. I was calling for 4.5 cents price target, a new low on CRcoin. As of right now, this looks very, very nice. I like to see this curvature. Looks very, very nice. Coming up to test the 5.5 cent price level. Be patient, guys. Money's flowing into the market. Altcoins are moving up. Bitcoin dominance is moving up with it. Be very, very vigilant, guys. Pay attention when you start to see a deviation where there's money flowing into Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is coming up, but alts are bleeding. When the money flow stops coming into the space and it starts moving around, be careful. Be careful. That's usually an indication that we're going to come down on the altcoins. Be careful. Just keep an eye open for that. Something else I want to let you guys know, over on Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Blacksea. I said this. What if the Bitcoin spot ETFs are a sell the news event? Just keep that in mind, guys. But there's something else I wanted to talk about. There's a tweet here. I guess I didn't post it yet. I have it scheduled for later today. But something that I want to talk about, guys, I really see with how this market is heating up. I do think that later this week, meme coins are probably going to be ripping. Let me know in the comments section if you believe that as well. Because I do think that the money's going to start to rotate. If money starts coming into here, people are bored, guys. People are bored. People that have money are bored. They want their money to grow. They want it to grow so bad that they'll gamble with it. They will go and trade meme coins with it. And I think that right now, this influx of cash flow into the crypto asset class, be prepared, guys. I really do believe that meme coins will probably start ripping shortly here. But if you guys like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each and every month to a different member leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Love giving back to you guys. Go follow me on Twitter, 333 Blacksea. I'm very active there, doing giveaways over there as well. We love giving back. That's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching.